That'll do. Man, we gotta start by eating salad, man. We don't fell off. We don't fell off, cool.
You want salad? You want salad or now, Cole, do you want a salad or now, Cole? Huh? Stop. Get a salad then. Get the salad, Cole.
Gotta start by eating salad. Y'all gotta eat Riley's, checkers. I don't eat this real, man.
You don't eat this for real?
No, man.
Hey, I just gotta go eat.
Something different. Cool, ready to get a slush.
Ice thing.
I saw.
Ready to go? With the ice. Huh?
What you say?
You don't want the ice?
That's pretty good, man. That's the burn.
What you say?
Hey, man. You gotta start eating that spice. You gotta start eating spicy, Cole. For real, man. It ain't gonna burn no more. Cause it burn. Oh, it burn.
Always burn. What do that? The icy do it? What that? The spicy stuff?
What the?
Yeah. I need a white ball, man.
Huh?
White ball.
White ball fan.
White ball fan.
Yeah.
What
Tell
up?
the cut some more, cool.
Huh?
Tell them cut it smoke.
Send it back. Cut some more.
Cut some more in the package.
So let me get one goal. One bag, right.
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Pay.
Hey,
Go away.
Go away.
Pandemic.
No more, yeah.
There we go, slushy. I said that's the big slush. That ain't the Lord.
They larges.
I can see.
Why you ain't feeling my way up to the top?
I ain't feel up enough for y'all.
Can we get a strong?
Yes, I got you. I'm gonna need you.
Jamaica. Bloop.
Block.
Super.
Jamaica. How you doing, Jamaica?
Hey, I'm from the Jamaica.
We love you.
What that called? You got your slick on. What the taste was?
There you go.
Taste on.
Make sure they good now.
Yeah, taste now. Y'all ain't spinning or nothing.
No, I actually I put a little razzle
But,
dazzle
okay,
in.
you
A
put
little
it.
razzle
Yeah,
dazzle,
okay,
just a
yes
little
sir. That was me. What this is crawling on. She put a little rouse down the taste, cuz. See what it tastes like, cuz. Make sure it's good now.
You like the syrup at the bottom?
Oh man.
Somebody.
Pray for it. Pray for it.
Pray, Cole. Come on, pray, Cole.
Amen.
Thank you, Jay.
It's alright.
Just put a little round down.
It's alright. It's alright.
Quick.
Rain,
Break free. I'll tell you what time, man. Take it. They're gonna be. Do one more, man. That's big.
Man, Cole, I gotta let my brain free go away, Cole. You want my head to bust?
Rain free.
Oh, yeah. That's better.
Got that one?
Got the one, Cole?
I got one, cuz. I got the brain free.
Brain free, Cole. Tell him one more. Tell him do it one more time. Tell him me, tell him.
One more.
One more brain free. It hurt, cuz.
I told you, Cole, it hurt.
They talking about they friends today. Yeah.
For right now.
Yeah, cause they finna eat. That's why they happy, both of them.
Right now.
Brain free.
Oh.
This ain't my friend anyway.
Brain free. That ain't friend free.
Nah, ain't my friend. Too messy, dog. Look out. Too messy.
Everything.
Oh man, I said something bad.
I'm a baby.
I did, man.
You sure?
I did.
I really forgot. I didn't bad. Yeah, put the bad then, man.
No, ain't that right? Cool.
All that boom, 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 going on.
No.
Y'all want some bad? Yo, man. Look at him.
Man, I know this ain't it, man.
That ain't it.
Man, I know this ain't
That ain't it, please.
Yes, man. Hey, so, man. Hey, though.
They said what it
Want
is?
a bag? Yo, man. I'm sorry. I'ma do better. I'ma do better. My bad.
Yeah.
Free, you got cheese on yours?
Yeah, my fish sandwich. See what I'm saying? Now we don't know what, man.
I think this is yours right
My
here.
fish and I had a fish and spicy sandwich too.
I think that's it.
I know I should eat, man.
I know it.
I know I should eat for that. No, I don't eat nothing.
Cool. You know I quit wine, man.
There goes
Huh?
no cheese.
All that wine going on, man.
Man, come on, nobody want this.
So, man.
That's yours at the bottom? Yeah.
Oh, sure, man.
Well, you got spicy chicken?
Yeah, he got spicy chicken, add cheese.
Add cheese?
Yeah. Cheese right there. What you got, brother? They don't look like.
What is it?
They don't look nothing like the pictures.
Nah, there's some fingers there.
They don't look nothing like the pictures.
That's all right.
Man, what going on? This ain't it. Total no cheese, only ketchup.
No, it's a mayonnaise and ketchup.
Mayonnaise and ketchup. What you get, y'all? What y'all want to eat from?
I know
You know,
that.
yeah.
Just can't eat these, y'all, man.
Huh? What the fries at?
Eat something, man. I'm going to push. I'll be back, bro.
Man, they too crisp, man.
Ain't on me.
What it is? What the fries at?
I need some milk. We cook these or something.
Yeah, man.
Man, tell me. Man.
Yeah, man. I'm telling man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, we got another, we got a burger too, there.
I had a fish, man.
The fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Both-
I got me some of
What
these.
that is I gave you?
Too spicy.
Too spicy. That's his shit, right?
Yeah.
Here you go, Cole.
They too crunchy.
Get two.
What do?
They too crunchy. Hit them on the table.
Y'all want to get it done?
Got that.
Tell her she gotta do the burger. We return these.
I'm finna tell
I
mom.
don't know. Didn't that about him, man.
They close to them nut right now, man. Y'all sitting in the sun. That's why.
Hey, on the next door and go.
I ain't cool. Wanna go in the car?
Yo, man. Come on, girl. We're going to car, girl. Yo, man. There you go.
That just look hard.
Bring the salt out.
Bring the car.
You got your fry?
Mm-hmm.
Closer than that.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to eat out here, Cole?
Come on, man.
Oh, yeah, we taking them back. Come on, man.
So, man.
They don't open up, man.
Y'all can't get mad on my man.
Hey, they probably seen that video. Word, don't go that quick. Yeah, he want to eat in the car, man. So shit. I'm in. Y'all hold on. We all discombobulated today. spots. What up, bro? You alright?
Yeah.
Yo, we finna get right, y'all. Y'all give us a minute. Gotta eat them. These folk gotta eat them. Riley, bro. We don't eat no checkers. Do it, yay. Yay. Come on, yay.
Let's eat, yay.
Let's eat, yay. Yo.
Look cool. Look at that cheese. Cool.
Got a lot of cheese. Supposed to be a spicy, bro. Supposed to be a spicy. Slow down now. Slow down. I'm eating bad now. All that smacking going on. Happy birthday, Miss Sellers. I tell you, bro. You sure? I tell you got mayonnaise all on your nose.
I'm a nice one, bro.
Let me see your other side. Let me see your other side. Let me see the sounds now. You right here. They said, get us on, yay.
You like?
Really, mine. I had one chicken. I ain't had a double chicken.
Yeah?
Kingville, Texas. Hey. They said, how I tell you, bro?
Great.
Hey, great. Come on, hang out. Come on, hit the spot.
I do that mess with him bad, huh?
No. If I can get something? If I can get some?
Yeah. Time back on. This.
Huh?
Time back on. Yes.
Tall Pine on? What Tall Pine on?
Married.
He got married? No.
He got his own church.
He got his own church.
So,
He got his own house too? Or he still stay with you?
he got his own.
No?
Cousin.
He gone.
Yep.
Hey, what's up? He said Tall Pine gone, y'all. He got married and gone to Cuthbert, Georgia.
And he got his own. And he got it on the Bible.
Huh?
And they married.
Huh? You say what?
And I just got his wife.
Oh, he got a wife?
Yeah.
Tall Pine? He must say he ain't coming back.
What, man?
You just said Tall Pine gone now.
No, man.
That's what you just said now.
Nah, man.
You did just say that.
Mm-mm.
All right. Well, he ain't gonna get some of that chicken sandwich. You got 2 of them.
I'm gonna get a pie though.
Huh?
Get a pie.
5. We looking at myself. You ain't get mine. Go with it, baby. Buy some more. Yeah, Cece gonna start tall pie, y'all. Happy Monday. What's the wife?
I'm being low.
What's the wife? I'm wasting that because of
You cool? No, not like she ain't cool.
it's good, man.
Y'all want some, y'all? This big man cool.
Huh?
Big man.
I ain't no bit, Mike. That's a double spicy chicken, man.
Yep.
We need salad for the rest of the week, man. That's it.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow and then tomorrow, after that, the rest of the week.
Yep.
For real, man. Did y'all have a good Mother's Day? Did you ladies have a good Mother's Day? This ain't it, man.
That one did. I had to put mine.
Look, bro.
That one did.
That's another sandwich, though. That fish sandwich good, though.
That shit was good.
Yeah.
Mountain. That sounds good too.
That sound good.
Yep.
I can tell.
Y'all be man?
What?
Y'all be?
Who you talking to?
Yeah, you are the though.
Go back to Blake.
Now, chickens do look better now, though.
Yeah, they got him right.
Yeah, them bitches fresh.
Look at him. Yeah, pull on him. Come on, get up. Let me see you.
What's the full now, bro?
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
That's it? You ain't gotta eat it, bro. What is it?
Throw away some trash.
Huh?
Throw some trash, right?
Yeah, you gonna try it.
I'm gonna on that. Cool. Man, that's you.
What's that?
You on that, man.
Get out, let me see you, boo.
Y'all everybody use the vibe before we get to rolling.
Me too, man.
I get far ready this year.
Who? Oh, boy. Already, he ain't eat them. That was spicy, good. He didn't like that. Goes ahead like that. Man, yeah, man, y'all know we don't checkers and Riley's and all that.
Yeah, I'm following his
What that? Throw it away, man. Throw it away from me. You want more of the fashion?
What's right? What's right? A spot up here?
Huh?
Spot.
No, I don't know. They say yay yay.
Yeah.
El Paso, Texas. Where you going, bro?
I'm gonna try yay.
Huh?
Try.
And try.
Shoot.
Wrong dunk there too, Cole. Cole, come back.
Yeah.
Try. Yay. Hey, what's up, Ad? Yeah. Fleet was the first one done. Look at him, look at him.
I ain't say nothing to you. What I said? You gonna come up with cameraman? What? You talking about what cameraman at? What? Oh, I'm gonna put your face. Better get in there.
You got a lot of dough, Cole.
Like it, yay.
Lock it, Cole, lock it. Lock it, Cole. I'll let him in, Cole. He said, oh no, Cole.
You better keep that same energy, bro. I'm telling you now.
Boom, boom.
I'm telling you, I don't know why you every time you get full, you want to show out.
Boom, boom, boom.
But listen, I don't want to hear no boom, boom, all right? You understand that? I'm tired of you, Cole.
Boom, boom, man.
Cole, I'm tired of you. Boom, boom, your face, Cole.
Boom, boom, man.
All right, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you
Stop. Got the car there.
Stop coming over here then.
Stop. Go on then.
Memorial Day weekend, we going to Miami, man. We going to Miami Memorial Day weekend.
We can't call.
Memorial Day weekend, we going to Miami, Cole.
Yo, come.
Miami,
I'm
dog.
ready like Freddy, Cole.
Cole, they gonna find girl over here. Go holler at her. Go ask what her name is. She waiting on you. Man, you scared.
Boom, boom.
Go ask what her name
I'm
is.
not crack boom, man.
I ain't cranking nothing, man. I ain't cranking nothing for you. Where my fan at, Cole?
You got a new job.
No, I don't.
That's real.
No, I don't.
That's real.
I gave it to
Leave
you,
my fan
Cole.
alone.
Cause what my fan, Cole?
Leave my fan alone.
Cause then you
Leave
say,
my fan alone.
Cause then you say you gonna give me a fan.
Go ahead, Cole.
What?
Say go ahead, my fan alone.
I ain't got look, Cole.
Leave it fan alone.
Cole, can I get a fan, Cole?
Leave it fan
Cole,
alone.
let me get I got one.
Leave it fan
I got
alone.
one, Cole. You know, autographed it and all, Cole. Look at that. Okay, DJ Cece. Y'all look at my boy DJ Cece. He done autographed the fan for us, man. I got one. I can have this one too, though, right, Cole?
Cool. Tell you, leave it fan alone.
Come on, Cole. I love you, Cole.
Leave it fan alone.
Cole, I love you, Cole.
Leave
Come on,
it
Cole.
fan
I love you, Cole.
alone. Go ahead, Cole. Leave it fan alone.
That messed up, Cole. You see how you do?
Cole, I love you, man.
Nah, you always hit me with that love, man, Cole.
Come on, man.
But you won't do right, Cole.
I do, man. I do, man.
Well, let me get the fan, Cole. The one you autographed right here, Cole.
Tell you, he had fan in truck, Cole. He had fan in truck.
Nah, you
Tell the truth, Cole.
not.
I'm telling the truth, Cole. Yeah.
Thank you, my friend, no.
Flash don't know, Cole.
Ask, man.
I'm telling
Cole.
Ask my
Cole,
time.
look,
you. Ask
Cole.
what, Cole.
Tell the guy fan in truck, man.
You got the fan in the truck,
No, I
man?
don't. I got the cardboard fan.
Huh?
Cardboard bot fan.
Oh, okay. He said he got the bot fan.
Bot
Yay,
fan.
bot fan. Bot fan, yay, bot.
Yeah. I want this one.
He want that one, Jay.
Yeah. The good one.
Leave it family alone.
I got us some more.
Leave
You
it
gotta order
family
some
alone.
Yeah.
Cause, man, come on, Cole.
I'm gonna get us some more for the meal.
Cole, I love you, Cole.
You know what I mean? I got.
you.
Cool. We got some more online.
Listen, Cole. Listen, Cole. I love you.
Tell me, hey, I need some fancy, man. I need my fan, man. The white fan, man.
Cole, listen,
The
Cole.
more price, man. Keep feet fan wood, man.
Get
Like,
fan wood.
get us all some fan.
Get. That boy said get Fleet some fan wood. Boy, what?
Please get some fan.
He trying to say get Fleetwood some fan.
Yeah.
Please.
Oh my God.
Cole, come on now, Cole.
I love it, man. Get
You
some
love me,
fan,
Cole?
man.
You love me, Cole? Cole, you love me? You gotta think about it now, huh? Oh, okay. That's what I'm talking about. You see how you switch up? You see how you switch up, right? I thought you just told me you love me.
No,
You don't love me no more? Huh?
yeah.
You confusing me, Cole. Your brain ain't function right, Cole.
Mm-hmm.
Your brain function right?
Tell him brain that function
Huh?
right. Go wrong with him.
Sam, you got fan in the car,
Yeah,
man.
stop talking my cousin like that,
I
man.
don't, Cole.
You got the fan in the car. Leave it
I
fan
don't,
alone.
I got a box fan, Cole.
Stop. Leave it fan alone, then.
Cole, I want one of these, Cole.
Leave it
One,
fan.
Cole.
Give one of that. Man, all the fans you got, man. Come on, man.
Man, Cole, you got all the fans, Cole.
Come on, man. I got some in the back of the trunk.
Well, let me get someone.
Huh?
Let me get one, Cole.
Oh, I'm parking the trunk, man. Get me a fan, man.
Huh?
One of the good
I'll
ones,
park the
Cole.
trunk, man.
Unpop the trunk.
Yeah, man.
How unpop the trunk?
I'm gonna get me a fan, man.
Huh?
Pop it, man.
Pop it like and drop it. Pop it like and drop it.
Come on, man.
Pop it like and drop it. Who?
Pop it.
Pop who? Pop.
Where's that, Cole?
Trunk.
You gonna give me a good one? All right, now, Cole. I love you now. I love you. Where's John Cat?
What that is, please?
Oh, nowhere it's at. I
Yeah.
think you ain't got none.
Oh, you
You
can't.
picked up the whole
Little
bag.
bag. No, he got him in the bag.
He got him in the bag. I'm saying he's picking up the shirt. Nah, Carl, I want the good one, Carl. Why you giving me the regular one? Come on now, Carl. Do right, man. I love you.
I got some money. Come on.
Nah, right here, Carl. Look at that. Give me that pink one, Carl.
Wait.
That one.
It's,
Yeah. I like that one. Ooh. Hold up. What?
Is it pretty, please?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's pretty. Yeah. It's pretty.
yeah, you can have.
No, I don't want that one. That one too flimsy, Carl. I need a new one, Carl. I like the one in the car, Carl. I like the one in the car, Carl. The one in the car, Carl. Carl, the one in the car, Carl. Carl, the one in the car, Carl. Carl, I love you, Carl. Come on, Carl, man. You doing too much,
Yeah,
man.
he was right.
Huh?
Yeah, excuse me, Trump, man.
Mm-hmm.
That's it?
Excuse me, Trump. There it is, huh?
Nah, Carl.
He got you one, man.
I want the
Golly,
good one.
man.
I want the good one, Carl. Let's look at here, Carl. Share with me, Carl. You love me? I love you too, Carl.
Man, when I tell you this man got fans everywhere, bro. When I tell you this man got fans everywhere.
Oh, yeah, Carl. Yeah. I like that one. I like that one, Carl. Now, that's the one I like, Carl. I like that one. Thank you, Carl. I can have it, Carl. I can have it.
Yeah, man.
What's that?
Yeah, man.
You got attitude, Carl?
No.
I just want to know.
I got some more extra.
I'm just telling you, you got attitude? Carl, you got attitude or what, Carl? You see how you do? Now you don't want to talk, right?
I do talk, man. Come on, man.
Do you got an attitude?
I good get a thing together, though.
We're going to get it together?
Appreciate the
Get a
hearing.
thing together, Carl.
I'm going to get it together, Carl, but listen, though, Carl, you got to let me get the pretty
Crack,
friend,
Carl, once I get together, Carl.
Get that thing together.
Come on.
Oh.
Cuz.
Get together, Cole.
I get it together, cuz. That just be you.
You get called.
See how you get loud again, ain't a cuz. See what I'm saying? We were just friends, now you want to be.
What friend then? What talking about then?
What you talking about then? You gave him a fan, he still talking
Nah, cuz he be doing
Man, let go,
wrong,
Cole. Man, come on, man.
Cool. All the tap.
Then he test all of them out for
Yeah,
you,
he
but
test-
make sure they right.
I like
He took his time, man. Stop doing my
I
cousin.
like this. I love this fan.
You love that, please.
I love this fan.
Hey, I need some more. My cat.
Whoa.
Need some more what, Cole?
Wait.
Whoa.
I want some more like that, cool. Online.
What about them?
Now them
Hey,
was
send me a pack of fan.
A package of fans.
Yeah.
Y'all seen him a package of fans, he said.
Yeah, bunch on.
A bunch of them.
You don't want no bot fan, no cuz.
I like bunch on.
Huh?
All the fan.
All fans.
Cuz them was so pretty, cuz. They blow out a lot of wind, too, cuz. But you gotta get that stand. You messed up. You just got that stand.
I caught them all.
Hey, Ted can give me some package for the mall.
Tell her to get you what now?
Some package
Get him some package for tomorrow.
for the meal.
For the meal.
Gold down praise. Number 2.
That's just for a decoy, ain't it?
That's a decoy.
Look like it went down,
I need some
y'all.
package, y'all, for the meal. Ted cool. Please, cool.
They said dude in the white t-shirt is for $195 bricks.
195.
Flash.
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Flash.
Somebody know you, boy.
Play.
Yes.
Yeah, huh? What's up, Cole?
Yeah, I need some package, man.
You need some who?
Some package from the more fan.
Need some package and no, all them fan right now.
No, man. That ain't no, man.
That's enough, man.
No, that cool.
Cool,
Hey,
come on, man.
I like the kind, man.
What, like them,
He like
he
that
like
kind.
that kind,
He
y'all.
like that kind.
Okay, he like that kind.
A bunch on.
Bunch on.
I'll put on the water band.
Put him in the rubber man.
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell slush?
Please,
Okay, cool.
Put it in the
please
rubber
do that
band,
for
cuz.
me, man.
Do
Please. Love you and the thoughtful thing to do about it.
Okay then.
Yeah, keep that thing popping, baby.
Get it poppin',
Pop
baby.
We love you. And that's the thoughtful thing to do.
Charlie Hoochie River, who?
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is the best school on
Go ahead,
the
go.
east side of the Chattahoochee River. What pays to pay.
You gotta go fast with it.
Man, well, show me how to do it, man. Show me how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Show me how to do it,
We
girl.
the best dude in the East Side, tell you the truth.
Okay, okay.
I'm also so fan, man. Like,
Cause I thought you better show me how to do it, bro.
look, I need a white one. What the car code?
Huh?
This, what the car?
What that?
What color is? Pink.
Yeah, yo.
Yeah, give him pink or Leo.
What color, girl?
And all that.
Cool, pink and what? Cool. Cool. Pink and what color? Oh, that's the one right there, y'all.
Hit the one.
That's the one, Fleek?
Hit the one. It's
Fleek got the one.
Ooh. Wow, it feel good too, Cole. You gave me the best
Yeah. Hear
one.
that?
It ain't.
1,
2,
3.
Yeah. Yeah.
It ain't.
Pretty.
Hey,
Yeah.
give me some of this, y'all. Give some of this and some of that.
Get some of that,
Some
some
of
of this,
this and some of that.
some of that.
Some of this.
What it
and some
called?
of that.
What it called, Cole?
Where the car go?
The purple fan,
A
Cole.
purple fan.
Not the bar fan. You want the real fan.
Forget box fan.
Yeah, forget about the bar fan.
I like that pink.
That blue, that all color. Purple, all
Purple,
color.
pink, blue.
Hey, give me purple, man.
Purple. You want all purple?
Yeah, all pink.
All pink.
Pink and white.
Pink and
Pink and
white.
white.
A black and white.
Black and white.
Golly, Cole. You gonna get all them fans? What you gonna do with all them fans, Cole?
I love a fan, man.
I know you love fans, but what you gonna do with them?
Keep them on,
Huh?
keep them on my bag.
Keep them in your bag. Where your bag? Oh, God. Where you gonna put all the fans at, though?
In the bag, man. I'll turn bag around.
But listen,
man.
though, Cole. If they
Don't
give
clean
you...
the bag, man.
Cole, listen, Cole. Don't get upset, okay?
You
Don't get
good, you
upset.
good, you good.
Okay, then listen. When they give you all them fans, where you gonna put them at?
In the bag.
That too. And ain't all of them ain't gonna go
Cole,
in there, Cole.
tell Flip put out the bag, Cole.
Man, put all of them bad, man.
You can put them all in the bag, but where you gonna put the rest of them, man? Everybody's sending you
Cool.
fans, Cole.
Cool.
Oh, you gonna put them in a t-shirt bag?
Yep.
Oh, okay. That's what I'm talking about. I love you, Cole. I love you, Cole. Cole, what you doing? Cole? Oh, you selling it out?
Yeah. No. I want to take all over. Take all over. You hear me, Cole?
Huh? No, don't take all of them out. Just put them back in there, Cole.
I don't put my
They all right,
in
Cole.
here, man.
No, just put them in there, man. They all right. Them fans, they ain't messing with nobody.
I like these. When you cool?
Huh?
These, hey, I like that too. Where's the tentacle?
You like what, Cole?
Like that.
You got to tell them, Cole.
Let me see. Okay. Alright, yeah, I see it. Oh, will.
Man, nobody bring you no more fans, man.
Please, man.
You too messy, dog.
Tall Pine said, don't y'all, he talking about, don't y'all send in no fan, Cole. Tall Pine
Hey,
said,
man. Hey, man, buy a fan, man.
the Tall Pine said,
Take me on some mail.
Tall Pine told him
Take
don't do it.
me on for the packet, Cole.
Huh?
Please, a packet. Please, shirt and packet, man.
The what?
Shirt and packet, it's a fan.
A shirt package of fan.
Yeah.
Alright.
And
The Tall Pine told him not to do it, Cole.
and shoes. I like that shirt too.
What's up?
They got on.
You like this shirt I got on?
Yeah.
Cole, you like to slap my hand, Cole.
You want this shirt?
Yeah. Hey, give me a shirt like it.
I got you, Cole.
For the packet, Cole.
For the pockets.
Where the car?
What's it called?
Plastic.
The pockets. The pockets.
What color is man? What is it?
It's the build the beach. Build the beach.
Look like water, man.
The build the beach.
Look at that water.
That wall. That's a mountain.
Give me the mask, y'all.
You want the mountain, y'all.
That's a mountain in the
You
wall.
want the mountain, y'all.
Mountain in the wall.
Mountain in the
In
water.
the water.
Please.
And the mountain in the sky. And the packet. And the
One
packet.
time. One time. One time. I want for the man, man. I want some man, man.
You want some mail?
I want like,
What's your address? What's your house address?
huh?
What's your address? Where you staying?
On that wood drive.
Oh, no, don't say it.
Huh?
Don't tell them where you stay. You gonna have all them girls at your house ready to come to the club now. You better not tell them where you stay at. All them girls gonna be at the club, at your house trying to get in the club.
Weekend.
The night.
Nice.
And a party night, man.
Yeah, I thought you said you have no scribble bowl party.
Sneaker my party.
Sneaker ball party.
Got coffee. Sneaker
Sneaker ball party.
and go with.
They go with it. Yeah, we come. We have who all come?
No, man. I got to let them go over. I'll open on Sunday, y'all.
You almost Sunday?
We're going to do the weekend.
Oh yeah, we got a wild in.
Yeah.
You folks say they want to party tonight.
Well, I got a wine for y'all.
Uh-huh.
I got a wine.
You got a wild?
No, I got.
Oh, you got a wild for the party. Oh, you got a wild for the party. Okay.
Go with.
Go
Sneaker
with.
my party.
Oh, who gonna work security? Alright, now I'm work. How much you
Free.
paying?
Free.
How much you paying?
Free.
How much you paying?
5.
5 what?
750.
750? 750?
800.
800? Okay.
550.
800.
No, man.
I'll take 800.
No, man.
Come on now, you said 800 now. You gotta stop lying now.
Oh, man.
You just said 800 now for the. I'm 800. Come on now.
No, I'll tell you what. How
on.
about $10?
No, go. You ain't gonna pay me no $10. $10 for how long?
About $50. $800.
$50.
About 800.
800. $7 for one night? Man,
For the weekend.
Man, listen, I'm there early. You hear me? I'm on the club. Okay,
Weekend?
I'm gonna be there before you wake up. I might cook your breakfast too. $7 for the weekend. Yeah, I'm gonna cook you some breakfast too, man. That'll work.
That'll work.
After we cook breakfast, we cranking up the party. We start early. We gonna say, Crab, it's time for you to go. I gotta make the money. I'm putting everybody out. Security. On security.
Security. Security.
Aye.
They over there fighting.
7,000, I'm gonna be security. I ain't gonna play with them.
I need something like it, man.
Like what?
Like pink.
Man, I thought we talking about the party. You still talking about the fan?
No, I'm on some pink, man.
Man, she touching my fan though.
I'm on. What
Didn't
kind?
you give me this?
What kind?
Didn't you give me this?
What kind is, man?
The
Hey.
river, cuz.
Huh?
The river. Then you said at the river?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me the wig, y'all.
Who?
A wig in the white, like it.
Get the who?
A wig, man. Saying like it.
Saying like that.
What you share that, man?
What's up?
For the price.
For the pocket.
I want basketball jersey.
You want a basketball jersey?
Yeah.
I just bought you one.
I need another pair.
You need another?
Another pound.
You need a jersey. What kind you want?
Steph Curry.
Steph Curry. You already got a Curry.
I might
Get
get
you
Lakers.
another?
Lakers, yeah.
Get your Lakers. Which one? LeBron?
Headband.
You want the headband? Well, you got that crowd swag. You want the wristband too?
Heck yeah.
What about the knee pad? Huh?
Yep.
What about
Ankle brace.
I got an ankle brace. I got an ankle brace. What about the shoulder pad, baby? Okay. Knee pad, shoulder pad. That green bay, baby. That green bay, baby. That knee pad.
Ooh, pandemic, your breath stank.
Hey, go away.
Hey, go away, yay.
That knee pad.
Yo, it's about that time,
Yeah,
man.
they go, man. We
It's
finna go
about
back.
that time, man.
Go back to the
We
hood.
gotta go back to the hood, man, where everybody good.
Everybody
man.
good, man. Let's give them over here. You ready?
Man, I ain't ready yet, though.
Where
I
the
just wanna
spot?
see, man. You wanna go to the spot?
To the spot.
Huh?
Where the spot
That don't
at?
mean they run hot, though.
Huh?
It's a fan,
Where the
though.
spot at?
What a spot.
I need some fan, man.
You wanna go to the spot, Cole?
Wait,
To the spot.
what's about me?
You know what a spot mean.
Look like a spot and look like a bright knee. Bright knee.
Bright lit, looking like a bright lit.
Lady!
Like that.
Y'all have any time?
I spend a bag on the baby. My nigga, my wrist is so crazy. Jet ride, that's an 80. I hope that you're rolling for gazy. Okay. You ain't never seen shit like this. Diamond they shine when the light hit. BB diamond no bullshit. I spend a bag on the baby. My nigga, my wrist is so crazy. Jet ride, that's an 80. I heard that you're rolling for gazy.
Play again,
I
man.
got your bigger phone. Play it, girl. You gonna crank it up? If I play it, you gonna crank it. If I play it, you gonna crank it.
He don't wanna do that.
I quite gonna get black,
You
man.
gonna crank it over to get to play?
Yeah.
Y'all ready to go to play? Let's go there.
Where we going, to the project?
Yeah, PJ.
To the
To
PJ.
the PJ?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all come to the PJ, man. Party in the PJ. No,
Call!
I was just playing.
Hey.
Everybody mama gonna be at that mom.
Hey.
What up, Cole?
We not touch with last night, right?
Yeah, you crunk it up last night. You showed out last night.
Where else?
Yeah, Fleet got a Facebook page, Edward Johnson.
Yeah, I saw you.
Edward Johnson.
You gonna get on mud. Why you do that, Fleet? Why you do that?
Why he do that, Cole?
Step in the mud, man.
Step in the mud, ain't it?
Man, I ain't stepping no mud.
Yes, you did, ain't it, Cole?
Yeah, man. Oh yeah, I the big boy. Hey, big boy. Yeah.
Who cried you, Cole? Huh?
Huh?
Don't do nothing, Cole.
No, Cole.
Bouncing around here.
No,
Boom,
Where
man,
you come
man.
from, man? They
I
is.
ain't know you. Man, how you get all the way over here, Tall Pine?
What
Man,
tall?
I messed up Tall Pine and came all the way over here, man.
Tall pine.
Man, come on, man. I knew you was gonna come over here.
He said he had to find DJ. He said DJ
Hey.
tried to kick him out, man.
Why you kick him out?
He stole my shirt though.
Man, but still, Cole, you
He
I
stole-
can't,
checked it on.
Cole, you can't do that, man. Tall Pine, talk to him.
Stop. Ain't no top about that.
He wanna talk to you.
Stop. Let's stop. Stop. He said, it's at home then.
Tall Pine wanna talk to you, Cole.
Ain't no top about it. Tell me at home, man.
Huh?
The man right here, Cole.
Teddy ain't home.
Cole, he right here.
Talk about the Edison, man.
He in Edison, man. He stay in Edison, man.
He right here, man.
He got a Y, he got a church, he stay in Edison, man.
He the bishop.
He the bishop. Where the ear go? He the bishop. Bishop.
He's speaker. He's speaker.
The bishop.
You heard me, Cole?
Bishop.
Yeah.
I'm through with you. Come on,
look,
Pond, man.
Man, tell him talk about home, man.
I tried to tell you, man.
Tell him, man. You seen the Edison, man. Tell him,
You don't want to listen, man. I told you to leave that man alone, man. Every time you turn around, he's doing that junk to you, man. He be trying to kick you out and everything, man. And then you still be messing with him, man. You know what, bro? I'm going to just be through with it, man. I ain't about to keep going through that with you and Cece, man. Cause I told you stay away from Cece, dog. Nah, man, I don't want to hear that, man. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear it right now. It's making my blood pressure go up, man. I'm just saying, though, why you just won't get together, man? Y'all been too messy, dog.
Too messy, dog.
But church alone.
Leave the church alone, Corey.
Just leave the man church alone, man.
He messing with the church,
It'll be all right, okay? Just tell him you sorry, dog. What? Just tell the man you sorry, Cole. All right, then. Cole, he say he's sorry, Cole.
He's sorry.
I ain't gonna claim no more, man. I ain't gonna do it no more.
He ain't gonna do it no more. He said, all right, Cole, he love you. He said he can come back to the house.
Next time again, leave my church. See?
Hey, man. See what I'm saying, man? That's why I be trying to tell you, man. You mess up every time. Every time I get you back in, you mess up. Man, just stay right here. Just stay right here. Stay right there. Now, Cole.
Man, hey,
man. See what I'm trying to
what's going on, man?
Man, I can't even get it out. Man.
Tell him gonna go home.
Man, listen, man.
Tell him go home.
Just going on.
Wait, please.
Just go. He getting me mad, Cole.
Please. He got his own wife. He got his own church custom. Tell him go home.
Listen, you got your own wife, you got your own church, and you got your church in custody. So go on. He said he can't go, Cole. His wife put him out.
Why put him out, Cole?
Right.
He came back to you. Cole, what's going on, man?
Cole said he don't want tall pound back in there.
Listen, man.
He don't want back in there now.
Man, I'm trying to look, man. Just be quiet. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. You be, man. Listen, bro. Man, this is it, bro. Just be quiet. Stop talking. Now, Cole.
Man,
Man, this don't make no sense, man. Stop. Coming down here, then. Listen, man. Cole, he said he's sorry, Cole. And he love you.
Come on, man.
Man. See, you know what, Cole? We just gonna be through with it. We ain't gonna mess with him no more, okay?
Tell him go home, man.
Man, he said, why I put him out, Cole?
Go on. Don't worry about it, man.
He can't come over there?
Man.
He just said for the night, Cole.
No.
And he ain't gonna get up in the morning, he gonna leave.
No.
Come on now,
Not
Cole.
today.
Come on now, Cole, man.
No, he got to go today.
He gotta go today?
I don't play that, man.
You don't play like that? Well, he made you mad, Cole.
He finna swing on tall pound.
No, don't do it, Cole. Now.
Watch out, Fleet.
Don't swing on him, Cole. Please, Cole. He all right, Cole.
Fleet, he slammed the other day now.
Man, let me get out the
Get out the
way.
way, Fleet, man. Cause he gonna go crazy now.
I ain't gonna go crazy.
He gonna go crazy.
He gonna go crazy.
Okay. Thank you, Jesus.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Jesus. He ain't gonna go
Man,
crazy.
you better go on, man, and start acting like that.
Hang
I'm
on.
trying to get you to come back home, man. I'm trying to get you back home, but you keep running your mouth. Stop running your mouth so much. That don't make no sense, bro.
So messy. Look,
You
he
too
like
messy,
that.
man. That don't make no sense, man. I'm about like Cece now, man. You need to stop your mess. Stop being messy then.
I know it then.
And he said he know it then. Y'all too
But turn
messy.
along.
Don't do nothing, Cole. Yeah, I got him. Call him and
But
talk
turn
to him.
along.
Call, let me talk to him, Cole. Don't get upset, Cole. Don't get
But
upset.
tell him I'm not
Man, leave the man church alone, man. Leave the man church alone, man. I won't want to mess with you no more, man, because you always mess with the man church. Then you stealing the man money out of the wild pocketbook.
Peeing in
Man,
the
giving you
bed.
somewhere to stay. Then you eating up all the ice cream.
And
Come
then-
on, man. Who
Cake,
don't even want
too.
to wash the dishes, dog?
Cake.
Man, then you eating up all the cake. Man, I don't believe it, man. Man, I got a headache, man. Man, I'm just cold.
Tell him going on, man.
Go on, I'm through with him too, Cole. Come on, Cole, let's go, man. Turn around, Cole. Don't talk to him. Don't talk to him, Cole. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we ain't stunning that man no more, Cole.
Man, go on, man.
Man, go on. Hold on now. Hold on now. Go on now. You better go on now.
Yeah, man.
You better go on now, Cole. Time to go on then. Time to go on.
Hey, tell you how you punk.
Man, who you calling a punk? Don't be calling me no punk, bro. Hold up, Paul. Hold up, Paul. Hold up, Paul. That's all right. Man. I'm mad. I'm tired of him, man. I'm going crazy now, man. I'm tired of Tom Pop. Tired of him.
Let me church alone, man.
Hey,
Tell him.
leave the church alone, man. I'm telling you,
Church
man.
alone.
You better go on, man. I'm telling you now, that's it. That's the last time. And I'm through with it. I'm tired of him.
Hey, he tell you, ain't shoot the bird on you.
Man, don't shoot no more birds now. Where my gun at? Where my gun at? Bah! Bah! Shoot him, huh, Cole? Shoot him again.
Yeah.
I'm going cut.
Blow your heart.
Shoot him hard. Bah! But Cole, I'm gonna go to jail. What gonna happen then?
Man, he good, man.
I'm good?
He did, man. Let's go.
Cole, what I'm gonna tell the police, Cole?
Yeah, good.
I'm good? All right.
Man, go.
Going on, man.
My check alone, man.
Cole, you got me.
My check alone.